Went months without eating? These animals do exactly that. Crocodiles go 3 years. Emperor penguins fast for months. And some snakes last over a year.
Bears can hibernate for 7 months without food or drink. Camels survive for weeks without food in harsh deserts. Some tarantulas live 2 years without food. Scorpions can survive a year without eating.
Tardigrades survive for years without food. A termite queen is fed and lives for decades. This turtle has a very slow metabolism. Which animal surprised you?
You won't believe which animal has the most powerful bite on Earth. It's strong enough to crush bone like a cracker. The saltwater crocodile has the strongest bite, measuring over 3,700 psi.
With a bite force of 3,000 psi, the Nile crocodile overpowers predators. At 2,100 psi, the American alligator cracks.
Hippos have a bite force of around 1,800 psi. Their massive jaws can snap a canoe in half. 5. Jaguar. The jaguar has the strongest to its size. It can bite through a turtle's shell. A gorilla's bite is estimated at around 13, allowing it to chew tough plants and bamboo. Polar bears, with a bite force of approximately 1,200, can crush the skulls of seals.
Hyenas have an incredibly powerful bite of around 1,100 psi, perfect for breaking open. A tiger's bite measures roughly 1050, helping it bring down large prey like wild boar.
The lion's bite is around 650 psi, more than enough to subdue large animals such as buffalo and zebras. Which animal surprise? Follow for more incredible animal facts.
These animals can change color in seconds. Number 1 is so fast, it can disappear right before your eyes.
The common octopus can change its color and skin texture in less than a second, helping it blend perfectly into rocks, coral, or sand. Meet the cuttlefish, a master of disguise. It creates moving patterns on its skin. This helps it to communicate or totally confuse predators.
In the blink of an eye, a squid can change its color. They use these pulses to hunt, mate, or escape predators. It is one of nature's most brilliant survival strategies.
Contrary to popular belief, chameleons don't change color just for camouflage. They also change color to regulate body temperature, express mood, and communicate.
This flatfish can match the color and pattern of the ocean floor within seconds. This makes it nearly invisible to both prey and predators.
The golden tortoise beetle shifts from gold to red. The tree frog changes from green to brown or gray. The mimic octopus can imitate dangerous sea animals. This crab spider slowly changes color to match the flowers. Meet the green anole, the American chameleon. It shifts from bright green to brown based on its mood. Temperature and light also trigger this change.
If you could have one animal superpower, would it be changing colors? Imagine going days, months, or even your entire life without sleeping. These animals come surprisingly close.
Bullfrogs don't sleep like mammals do. Even when resting, they stay highly alert, reacting instantly to any movement. This bird can fly for months over the ocean. It takes tiny naps lasting just a few seconds.
Dolphins let one half of their brain sleep, allowing them to keep swimming and breathing. Like dolphins, orcas use unihemispheric sleep, where one side of the brain rests while the other remains alert. During long ocean migrations, elephant seals sleep for only about 2 hours a day. These naps are often short, underwater, and occur while they drift.
The alpine swift can stay in the air for months. It takes brief periods of sleep while flying. Jellyfish don't have a brain, so they don't sleep like mammals. They have periods of reduced activity that resemble sleep.
Ants don't take long naps. Instead, they rest in hundreds of tiny breaks throughout the day and night.
Some sharks must keep swimming to breathe. They have periods of rest. Giraffes sleep the least of all mammals, often just a few minutes.
Did you know that some animals barely sleep at all? Which animal surprised you the most? Follow for more amazing animal facts every day. While some animals sleep very little, bullfrogs were once thought to never rest, but they do take resting periods. Migratory
Animals with the longest lifespans. What if you could live for hundreds of years? These animals do, and one of them may be biologically immortal.
The Greenland shark is the longest living known vertebrate. Some scientists estimate they can live for over 400 years. Deep in the icy North Atlantic, a clam named Ming was discovered. It was 507 years old, the oldest animal ever found. Deep in the ocean abyss live some of the oldest animals on Earth. This glass sponge is estimated to be over 10,000 years old. Bowhead whales can live for over 200 years. Some carry ancient harpoon fragments still embedded in their bodies. Giant tortoises commonly live 100 to 150 years, and a few have surpassed 190 years. These sea urchins can live more than 100 years. They show very few signs of aging.
With proper care, koi can live for 50 to 70 years, and one famous koi reportedly lived 226 years.
Native to New Zealand, tuataras often live over 100 years. They continue growing slowly throughout much of their lives. The Rauhai rockfish is a true elder of the deep sea. Living over 200 years, it is one of the longest-lived fish known. It returns to its juvenile stage after injury or stress. In theory, it can repeat this process indefinitely if it avoids disease and predators. These giant tortoises often live 100 to 150 years. Some individuals have exceeded 180 years.
Deep in the icy North Atlantic, a simple clam was found. It was 507 years old, the oldest animal ever discovered.
Deep within the abyss live some of Earth's oldest animals. This glass sponge is estimated to be over 10,000 years old.
Lake sturgeon can live for over 100 years, with females often outliving males.
Deep in the ocean lives the orange ruffy. This remarkable fish can live for over 2 centuries, adapting to the slow pace of the abyss.
Several rockfish species regularly live 100 to 200 years in the cold waters of the Pacific Ocean. These mussels can survive for more than 250 years. They thrive in clean rivers. Some black coral colonies are estimated to be over 4,000 years old, making them among the oldest marine animals.
Deep beneath the Antarctic ice, life moves at a different pace. This sponge may be over 1,500 years old, a living witness to human history, frozen in time.
If they avoid predators and disease, American lobsters can live for over 100 years, and they continue growing throughout their lives.
Hydras constantly renew their cells and show little to no signs of aging. Under ideal laboratory conditions, they may live indefinitely, making them another contender for biological mortality.
Think the cheetah is the fastest animal on Earth? Think again. The real champion is even faster.
During a hunting dive, the peregrine falcon reaches speeds of over 240 miles per hour, making it the fastest animal on Earth.
This powerful bird can dive at speeds of up to 200 miles per hour. The white-throated needletail is the fastest bird in level flight, reaching 105 miles per hour.
The Brazilian free-tailed bat. It's the fastest flying mammal on Earth, reaching speeds over 99 miles per hour. The fastest land animal, the cheetah, can sprint up to 70 miles per hour for short distances. On land, the pronghorn rules. It outlasts even a cheetah, but in the ocean, the sailfish is king, reaching speeds of 68 miles per hour, one of the ocean's speed champions, the black marlin. On land, the lion rules, sprinting at 50 miles per hour. Gray wolves can run at speeds of up to 38 miles per hour and have the endurance to chase prey for long distances.
Nature's speed limits are absolutely mind-blowing. The falcon dives at over 200 miles per hour, while the sailfish dominates the ocean. Which speed amazed you the most? Follow for more incredible animal These animals carry enough venom to kill humans. Number 1. The inland taipan snake. Box jellyfish can cause heart failure in minutes, and this tiny octopus can kill several adults.
This tiny octopus carries venom powerful enough to kill several adults. One tiny frog contains enough toxin to kill up to 10 adult humans. The world's most venomous fish hides perfectly on the ocean floor.
The deadly deathstalker scorpion, the cone snail's fatal harpoon, Sydney funnelweb's dangerous venom, king cobra's massive bite, the quick marbled cone snail. Which one shocked you? Follow for more.